Good evening. Join in. Hello. Hi everyone. Good evening. Hello. Okay, I'm back. It's Tuesday and we do live face yoga sessions for 10 minutes uh, every week. So today we are going to do a very quick, easy, very effective face lifting exercise. Also, I have not applied any face oil today, not any oil based serums. If I've just applied moisturizer. So if you are somebody who is not a face oil person, or it doesn't suit your skin, or if serums doesn't suit your skin, so it's just to convey a message that you can do face yoga, you can do massages with your regular moisturizer also. What you need to do is just put an extra layer, the extra amount of it, so that when you're massaging, your face should feel moisturized, and it should remain moisturized for a longer period of time. And in between the massages, whenever you feel that your skin is drying up, please reapply the moisturizer. So for face oils, it doesn't happen that quickly, because face oils and oil based serums takes time to absorb, but मॉइस्चराइजर बहुत क्विकली absorb हो जाता है. तो अगर आप मॉइस्चराइजर से फेस मसाजेस कर रहे हो, the only rule is to apply a little more than the regular amount and reapply it whenever you feel that your skin is dry. ठीक है, सो हम अभी वो करने वाले हैं, एक मसाज. आई एम जस्ट अप्लाइंग moisturizer, so you will see how easy it is to massage with moisturizers as well. Secondly, this the exercise that I'm going to share is a mix of massage and exercise both. It's a face lifting exercise. It will help with loose and saggy skin. It will help with fine lines, wrinkle, and also it will help with puffiness on your face. So let's quickly do it. Or before starting the massage, let me give a disclaimer. Most of the face yoga exercises, massages, looks very funny when you're doing it or when you see somebody doing it, but don't let that stop you from doing face yoga massages, because it's my rule and it's my go-to mantra that look funny in private and glow in public. So that's what face yoga is all about. Do it whenever you are free, when you are alone in your me time, but definitely do these exercises. ये आप सुबह भी कर सकते हो, या आप इवनिंग में भी कर सकते हो, दोनों टाइम भी कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन डू इट ट्वाइस both the times, right? So let's quickly start. मैं पहले आपको एक साइड पे करके दिखाऊंगी. Just want to show you how quickly this exercise, this massage will show results, and you can visibly see the change. So what you need to do is, with one hand, right now I'm doing on one side. So what you need to do is, you need to lift everything up. The idea is to go upwards and lift your skin. So I'm going to go like this, lifting everything upwards. Now I'm going to curl my lips in, open and close it for 10 counts like this. I'm just gonna release everything down and relax. Now see how instantly this side of my face is lifted. Also fine lines, as I told you. और जब हम ये lift करके जा रहे हैं, when we are holding this, I am holding and gently putting pressure on my muscles that I have lifted, so that they stay upwards. So they stay lifted, and that's how I'm also creating muscle memory. So अगर आप ये दोनों साथ में करोगे, you will see a lot of difference. Let's do it together. So we're going to go like this, curling my lips in, putting pressure with my hands, holding the muscles. Releasing and draining everything down. So this will again work on any kind of fine lines around your smile lines, eyes, under your eyebrows, your cheeks are saggy, this is going to yes, you can do it any time of the day. Morning you can do if you feel that you have puffy face in the morning, तो ये morning में बहुत अच्छा work करेगा. If you working on for lifting, do it before bedtime for sure, because it will help in strengthen the muscles of your face, tighten the skin, and when you go to sleep it will work better. Your sleep mechanism, your repair mechanism of the skin and muscle will work better after this kind of a workout. So 3 बार भी आप कर सकते हो, मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग. सुबह भी करिए अगर आपको पफिनेस इशू है, रात को करो अगर आपको सिर्फ लिफ्टिंग पे वर्क करनी है. Yes, everybody can do it, boys, girls. Make sure your husbands also do it, they also lift their face and you also work on it. So ये exercise gender bias नहीं है, age bias नहीं है, everybody can do it. Only if you have active acne और बहुत active acne है, please avoid doing this. Otherwise everybody can do it. Active acne पे नहीं करना है बिल्कुल भी. अगर आपकी स्किन पे कोई acne नहीं है, then you can do it. So fine lines, face lifting, saggy skin, puffiness, all these things will be covered with one basic exercise. All right, so ऐसी मैं बहुत सारी exercises और बहुत सारे tips and tricks share करती हूँ अपने face yoga monthly batches में. My new batch is starting next Tuesday, that is 24th of September. So if you wish to join, please comment details when I'll post this live in my feed. You can get all the details and you can also register for the same. So I'll see you next Tuesday. Thank you for joining in, and do practice all these what I'm sharing little tricks here. As a beginner, this will really work for you, and you will also see how well face yoga genuinely work. Acne prone area के लिए, so next week I will show an exercise जो acne prone, especially कई बार आपको हर वक्त acne नहीं होता. There's some days in the month that you get acne, especially active acne. उस टाइम पे आपको क्या करना चाहिए, I will share that little tip in the next live, which will be on Tuesday next week. All right, thank you for joining in. And अगर आपने मिस कर दिया है या आप लेट ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, do watch this live. I will be posting in a bit. This is for face lifting, this is for puffy face, this is for saggy skin, this is for fine lines, and a lot more. All right, see you soon next week. Thank you for joining in. Have a great evening ahead. Bye bye.